welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I decided to do this full glam inspired by Valentine's Day because it's around the corner. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Hello. So I did most of my brows in the last video that I posted, so you guys could go and see that. So the brow gel that I'm using right now is the Gimme Brow and number 4. So that's why I kind of skip and just wanted to get into the makeup part, and I'm using the Benefit concealer, the cakeless concealer in number 4. So I decided to use that as a base before I do my eyeshadow. And today I'm using the Mercury and Retrograde by Huda Beauty because hey, we're in retrograde, so why not use this? So I'm starting with this beautiful neutral color called Karma, and we're using that all over my lid. Well, all over my eye, I should say. This is like the transition color where I use a neutral tone before I start playing and mixing different colors together. And all of my brushes are from Morphe. I am a Morphe brush girl. And then I'm using the P. Louise base to create a cut crease. My eyes are very, what's the word? I have no lid. I have to create it to make it bigger and appear that I actually have a crease. So here we are. So after that, after I'm done creasing, I'm going to go with this beautiful purple color called Ultra Violet. Really pretty. It has like a reflect of like blue and purple together, and I'm just going to pack that on, girl. Pack that on. And again, I do use a flat brush to make sure that I have no fallout, and if I do, it's not a lot. And I'm just following that cut crease that I created to make my lids look bigger. And then I'm using this beautiful color, kind of like a purpley color. It's called Hot Mess. And I'm using that in the outer corner of my lid and bringing it up a little and basically using it around my lid. And then I'm going to use the concealer by e.l.f. in light beige. Not the matte one, but their hydrating one, because the matte one, I feel like you have to work really hard with it fast so it doesn't, you know, get too dry quick. And then I'm going back to use that Benefit Cakeless Concealer in number 4. I just wanted to brighten my eyes. Lately my bags have been really sad. So yeah, guys. And then I'm using my e.l.f. concealer to blend everything together. This beauty blender is amazing, and I feel like it's the best sponge to the best beauty blender to blend concealer and to do cream contour. It looks really good. And we're just gonna take our time, girl, because we gotta hide these bags. So then I'm using my Huda Beauty contour cream in light, and I'm using that all over my forehead, my cheekbones, my jaw, my nose, underneath my lips. We're just gonna use it everywhere. We gotta look super snatch for our Valentine's look. And then I'm using my Real Techniques brush in medium sculpting brush. This brush is everything to me. I use this for foundation. I use this for contouring. I feel like it works really well. And I have this brush now, I think, for 2 years, and it works amazing. And then I'm going back to that Huda Beauty palette, and I'm using Hot Mess again. I'm going to use that underneath the lash line to give it a more of like a dramatic effect. And then I'm using my Benefit Back Up Bang. This mascara is everything. I love this mascara because it really gets in the lash and it makes them just, you know, stick together like besties. But yeah, I like the fact also that it works really well to do your bottom lashes. It separates them. And then I'm going back to the Huda Beauty palette again, and I'm using this beautiful rose gold Cosmet, and I'm using that in the outer corners of my eyes. And then I'm using my Anastasia contour kit in light medium to give me some color because I'm super pale lately. and I just, you know, I just bronze up until I'm satisfied with what we got, because this girl right here hasn't had sun in a while. So after I'm done with that, I'm gonna go and use the Anastasia and Nicole Guerriero highlighter glow kit, and I'm using Forever Young. Such a beautiful color. It has a little bit of glitter, but it's not like too much. But I just love how it leaves my skin super dewy. And then I just found this lip liner in my lip liner drawer, and I was like, you know what? Why not? Why not use this? And it's an NK makeup brand that I got from Popcorn probably. And then I'm using my NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the color Black Book, which is more of a mauve pink. I love mauve colors. I live by them. They're amazing. And then I'm going back to the NYX Lingerie, another liquid lipstick, and using Corset, which is more of a nude lip color. And that was it, guys. I hope that you guys enjoy this video and get inspired to do a Valentine's makeup look. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you all for all your love and support. See you guys next time. Bye. This is the